Have you noticed this? One week, your AI model is there. Next week, it's gone. Or replaced. Or renamed. Or deprecated. And suddenly you feel like, wait, what happened? Did I lose a feature? Did the quality change? Why is my workflow different? This isn't random. This is the new normal. Because AI isn't being treated like software anymore. It's being treated like live infrastructure. Today on Trend Decoded, we'll decode it. What changed? Why it matters? What's next? What changed? Let's make it simple. AI platforms are retiring older models faster than before. They are consolidating. They are pushing users toward newer families. And the product experience shifts quickly. In the past, software stayed stable for years. You updated once in a while. You learned the tool. And you kept using it. Now, AI changes like a living service. Like a streaming platform. Like a network. Like a cloud product. So what changed is, AI is now versioned and rotated. Like servers. Not like apps. Why companies retire models? Here are the real reasons models get retired. And none of them are mysterious. Their business reality. Their operational reality. Their strategy. Reason 1. Running old models costs money. Every model consumes compute. Every model needs infrastructure. Every model needs monitoring. Every model needs scaling and reliability. More models equals more cost, more complexity, more risk. Reason 2. Too many models confuse users. When users see 7 models, they don't feel power, they feel confusion. Which one is best? Which one is fastest? Which one is safest? Which one is stable? Which one is right for my use? So platforms simplify. They remove older options. They narrow choices. They reduce support burden. Reason 3. Product quality becomes inconsistent. If many models exist at the same time, users compare. They notice differences. They complain. Yesterday it was better. Last month it was different. Now it's worse. So companies prefer a smaller set of models that they can tune and control. Reason 4. Safety and policy updates are easier on fewer models. Safety rules change. Risk handling changes. Filters change. Guardrails change. If you have fewer models, you update faster. You manage risk better. You reduce edge case failures. Reason 5. Competitive positioning. Every AI company wants the same thing. Use the newest brand. Use the strongest flagship. Lock user habits into the latest tier. Because that's where future features and monetization go. Why this matters for creators. Now let's talk creator reality. This affects you in at least 5 ways. 1. Workflows break quietly. A script prompt that worked last month might produce a different tone this month. Not because you change, because the model changed. 2. Output quality changes without warning. Some models are better at structure, summarization, creativity, logic, safety refusals, style. When the model changes, your outputs shift. 3. Your style consistency becomes harder. If your channel voice depends on a certain model tone, retirements force you to retune prompts, sometimes repeatedly. 4. Automation gets fragile. If you run automations, API, bulk workflows, model changes can break behavior, formatting, costs, latency, rate limits. 5. Your audience feels it too. If your content relies on AI narration or AI writing, your tone can drift, and audiences notice drift more than you expect. Why this matters for businesses. Now the enterprise side. Businesses hate instability. Because instability means risk. When AI becomes part of work, companies want stable performance, predictable cost, predictable outputs, compliance and auditing, long-term support. So model retirements create a new enterprise demand: stability tiers. Like long-term support in software, because companies don't want to rebuild workflows every 2 months. The hidden engine. This is about platform control. Here's the hidden engine behind models disappearing. It's control. Platform control. Because models are not only intelligence, they are compute allocation, cost structure, feature gating, safety enforcement, product roadmap. When a company retires older models, they're doing 3 things. 1. Reducing cost and complexity. 2. Pushing users toward a new standard. 3. Pulling the ecosystem into one direction. And that's how platforms stay coordinated. That's how they ship faster. That's how they keep their product story clean. Why this feels worse now? The agent era. Now here's why this matters more than ever. We're entering the agent era. Agents don't just respond. Agents act. Agents run tasks. Agents execute steps. That means model changes can create real-world consequences. If a model gets replaced, and the agent behavior shifts, the risk is bigger. Because it's not just words. It's actions. So platform companies will retire models faster, to ensure safer execution, more predictable behavior, consistent guardrails, better reliability. What users should do, practical guidance. So what can you do? Here are simple rules that protect your workflow. Rule 1. Save your best prompts. Keep a prompt vault. If a model changes, you can adjust quickly. Rule 2. Use prompt anchors. Add consistent constraints. Tone, structure, formatting, length, audience level, forbidden words. If needed, anchors reduce drift. Rule 3. Build a fallback plan if output shifts. You should have a backup prompt version, a backup model option. If available, a manual cleanup checklist. Rule 4. Keep outputs template-based. If your scripts follow your repeatable structure, model changes affect you less. Because structure becomes your trademark, not model personality. Rule 5. Test after every visible update. When a platform announces changes, run 2 to 3 test prompts. See what changed. Adjust once. Then scale. What's next? Now the what's next section. Here's what I think happens over the next year. 1. Faster model cycles become normal, not yearly updates. Monthly updates. Sometimes weekly improvements. AI is not shipping versions. AI is being tuned constantly. 2. Models split into stable and experimental. We'll see more clear lanes. Stable for reliability, experimental for latest features. 3. Pricing becomes tied to model access. Older models often stay available in some form, but the best models become premium, or limited, or metered. 4. Compatibility tools. Grow platforms will build migration helpers, prompt converters, behavior notes, version guides, quality comparison tools, because churn creates support pressure. 5. Trust becomes a selling point. The providers that communicate clearly win user trust. Silence creates backlash. Because when your tool changes overnight, you feel powerless. Let's recap. What changed? AI models are now rotating like infrastructure. Older options get retired. New standards replace them. Fast. Why it matters. Creators and businesses rely on stable behavior. And retirements can break workflows, style consistency, and automation. What's next? Faster cycles. Stable versus experimental tiers. More metering. More transparency pressure. And more demand for portability. If you want more Trend Decoded breakdowns, without hype, subscribe to Trend Decoded. See you on next video.